big swim bait again, right? We're getting a lot of swim bait videos here. And oh my gosh, I've got several custom orders to go, but let's get right to this one. We are going to be doing a crappie pattern. I've done a few. I'm going to try to match it to this. We're going to put it on whatever kind of swim bait, glide bait body this is. So let's get to it, guys. First thing I'm going to do is, as you look at this particular picture, you can see where there's some white left in it. But you also see some defined kind of scaling in the upper back in here. So I'm going to go ahead and use, like we've done on several other of these, I'm going to use a light gray color and some of our scaled tips. And we're going to do some scaling up here along this back. And we may do just a tad bit down here in the tail area, then just some random places there. Now, I didn't get that good up there. All right, that'll get us a little bit of scales, and we're going to cover most of that with color. As our underlying color, we're going to leave a lot of the white down there, but we're going to then we're going to get into some of this blotchy patterning. Let's get this other side matched up. This is what we call layering, or what I call layering. Now, most of your crappies got just a hint of the greens in it, but this picture really doesn't look like it. But we are going to add just a hint of green to this. Let's come back and add a little bit to this side. Next up, we're going to come back with our black, which I'm going to come back with a gray first. And again, build the layers to this crappie. Let's get our gray, and we want to do, which I'll come back and do this with black probably. We're going to add a little bit of this gray up here at the top. And some gray, a little smaller stuff. Come back in to black, kind of finish this thing off. So we're gonna all right. Let's reveal our eyes. Hard to do all this stuff on camera, which brings the life to bait, I think. Brings the bait to life. What did I just say? Yeah. Sometimes I do speak English. All right. There we go. So there's our rendition of the crappie. Probably should have left a little more white in the tail to match it identically, but I think the customer will enjoy that. And gliding that thing around in our lakes and around some docks, I don't think they're going to be able to tell the difference. So if you like this video, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Keeps us going on the channel. I always look through it, leave comments, tell me what this would work in and what type of water clarity that you would fish this particular bait in. Until next week, Green Country Baits signing out.